Hello, my dear student. I'm Samprita from Economics Department. This is continue part of Module 2 Demand Analysis. Let us discuss about increase and decrease in demand. The meaning of increase and decrease in demand is that when there is change in demand, the demand curve changes its position. That means when there is changes in demand, the demand curve changes its position. The change is known as shift in the demand curve. Increase in demand and decrease in demand are two phases of changes in demand. So it expresses the changes in demand. Changes in demand are the result of the change in the factors or condition determining the demand other than the prices. That means other than the prices, which are the factors are determining two changes in the demand. A change in demand thus implies an increase or decrease in demand, denoted by shifting of the demand curve. So let us know the increase in demand. An increase in demand signifies either the more will be demanded at given price level or same demand at higher prices. That means a consumer will demand more at given prices or same at higher prices. An increase in demand means that more is now demanded than before at the each and every price level. Increase in demand shown as a shift of the demand curve to right hand side. That means a changes in the demand or a shift of the demand curve in right hand side. Let us discuss this with the help of graphical representation. The figure shows that a quantity of commodity has been presented in OX axis and in the OY axis represent price level. The shift of the demand curve from DD to D1 shows an increase in the demand. In this case, more is demanded at the same price OP level. The same fact may be expressed in another way. That means it can be explained with another help. When there is increase in demand, same quantity OQ level of quantity is demanded at higher price level. So this is increase in demand. Let us know what do you mean by decrease in demand. A decrease in demand signifies either less will be demanded at given price or same will be demanded at lower price. That means a consumer will demand less at given price or same quantity will be demanded at lower price. Decrease in demand means that less is now demanded than before at each and every price level. Decrease in demand is shown as shift of the demand curve to the left hand side. The demand curve shift to the left hand side. Let us explain with the help of graphical representation. The OX axis represent quantity demanded and the OY axis represent price. A decrease in demand is depicted by shift in the demand curve from the DD to D2. When there is decrease in demand, less quantity is demanded at OP price level. That means in OP price level, they demand OQ2 level of quantity demanded. The same fact may be expressed in another way also. That is, OQ quantity is demanded at OP2 price level. So in short, the change in the quantity demand due to the change in overall pattern of demand results in increase or decrease in the demand. That means due to the overall pattern of changes in the factors, it results in increase or decrease in the demand. For a change in demand, a changes in factors other than the price is responsible. Other than the price, the factors are responsible for changes in demand. Let us discuss about reasons for changes in demand. A change in demand is caused by many factors. Some of the important factors are changes in income, changes in taste, habit, preferences, changes in fashion, changes in distribution of income and wealth, and changes in substitute and complementary goods, and changes in advertisement, change in value of money, and change in the tax level. Expectation, the future price may changes or future price may decreases, and changes in the population. And let us discuss about one by one. Change in the income. A change in the income of a consumer significantly influences his demand for most commodity. The demand for comfort and luxury goods increases with the rise in the consumer's income. That means when a consumer's income increases, he prefers more comfortable goods or the luxurious goods. Similarly, overall pattern of demand changes. And also, when the consumer's income decreases, so the demand will decreases. Let us focus on second point, changes in taste, habit and preference. When there is changes in the habit, taste or the preference of the consumer, his demand will changes. If a small changes in habit or preference, it will changes the demand pattern. Let us take it as example. If a consumer ignore the cigarette habit, that means smoking habit, his demand for cigarette decreases. And also, let us take it one more example. If one person he like a sweets, he buy more sweets, so the demand for sweet increases. And changes in customs and fashion is another reason for changes in demand. Fashion and the customs of the society determine many of the demand of an individual. When the fashion of a person changes, a demand pattern of the person also changes. For example, youngsters are more interested towards gadgets. So, if they have the passion towards buying of these gadgets, so the demand pattern is changes because they buy more gadgets and the demand will increases. And another reason is changes in distribution of income and wealth. Through welfare measure, government can reduce inequality of income and wealth and bring about just equal distribution of income and wealth. Consequently, the demand pattern may changes. Further, the welfare programs by the government like free medical facility, free education and pension scheme to the poorer section. So this will boost up the purchasing power of poorer section of the society. So by this overall demand may changes. And next one is changes in substitute and complementary goods. As you know, the meaning of substitute and complementary goods. The example for substitute good is tea and coffee. And example for complementary good is pen and ink, car and petrol. Changes in the supply of substitute and complementary goods and their prices affect the demand for given product. And advertisement and publicity persuasion is another reason for changes in demand pattern. A clever and persistent advertisement and the publicity programs by the producer affect consumers preference and causes alternation in the demand for product. As you know, a consumer attracted by more and more towards advertisement. So nowadays also a consumer buy a product because they seen that product in advertisement, that cleverly advertisement attract the consumer to buy more. So by this advertisement and publicity also one of the reason for changes in demand pattern and changes in the value of money. When there when there is inflationary or deflationary tendency developing in the general price level, so consequently the value of money changes. Whether there is inflationary tendency or deflationary tendency, the value of money changes, and there may be a changes in the relative price of different goods. By the inflation, the prices of the relative goods may changes, it may increases. So that changes in the demand pattern. For example, if in the society or in the economy, if there is inflationary bias, the prices of the goods and services increases. So the people are not ready to buy a goods and the services at high level. So the demand decreases. So by this way, the demand pattern changes. And changes in the tax level. When the government changes its tax structure, especially direct tax, the disposable income changes, which may lead to changes the overall demand. For example, if a government takes a decision that decrease the direct tax, a holding of money by the people is increases. So they buy more goods and services, so demand may increases. Vice versa, if a government increase the direct taxes, so the holding of money will decrease in the people, so they buy less. And expectation of future changes in the prices. When the consumer expect that there will be rise in the prices in the future, he may buy more at the present price and his demand increases. For instance, if a consumer think that in future the price may rise, so he buy more and more at present price. So he stock the goods and services. So at that time a demand will increases. And also vice versa. If a person think that in the future the price may goes down, the price may decrease, so he postpone his purchasing of goods and services. So the demand decreases. And another reason is changes in population. The demand for commodity changes when there is change in the size of population. If there is more population, there is more demand for the goods and services. And when there is less population, there is less demand for goods and services. As you know, India is second largest populated country in the world. So demand for goods and services in India is more compared to the other nations. So these are the some of the important factors which bring out the changes in demand for any product. So by this we completed a discussion regarding increasing and decrease in demand and reasons for changes in demand.